Host Nation, welcome to True News Sport. Please, guys, before we come with the good news, let's start by subscribing, like, share, comment, and follow us on TikTok. But first, let's press the button where we are going to at least set our reminder so that when we have posted something, you guys can at least be alert. So let's press the ring button bafowethu. Let's start by good news bafowethu. We are going to talk about these two. First, Ushinga and Chislet. We are very happy to hear that tomorrow they will appear. So we don't know if they're going to start the match or they're going to come as a substitutes. But I would love to see them starting the match. Let's start by Peterson tomorrow. We start him by the as a goalkeeper, and then let's play Shinga as a left winger, a left back. I mean, and then I would love to see them pairing with McCarthy as a left centre back. I don't recommend Msimang because I saw a lot of his mistakes, so I don't wanna look like I'm attacking him. Let's play Ukwinika as a right center back, and then our right back. Let's play Solomons because Solomons is giving us a lot when he's playing, and then Mabui. Let's play him as a center defensive midfielder, and then in our midfielder, I would love to see these two Mabaso playing with Uchislet. Let's see a new combo playing together, and then we know our substitute will bring Vilagazi on the second half to replace Uchislet if he's tired. And then on our right winger, I would love to see some changes playing Ushabalala as the right winger. Let's test him there and see what will he bring for us. And then on the striker, I would love to see this guy, Batman. I would love to see Batman playing while we are resting Silva for a big match. And then on our left side, left winger, let's play Velepai. Velepai is a great player and he has a great moves. I would love to see these players. You will see we will score early goals with these players because most of them, when they have the ball, they want to go straight to the goalkeeper and score. So tomorrow we are winning, guys.